Alright, hello, and we are playing Monkey on the Shelf.
I'm sure all of you know how to play Monkey on the Shelf, so just go.
I think this guy just like died. Is it a free round or not? Yeah, so we're playing Monkey on the Shelf.
Yeah, free round, but if you don't want a free round, then I don't know. Red?
Okay, so
pink, even. My computer. Pink.
Alright, so that's the first round.
Because I fell off the couch. Yeah, it's your turn. Oh, you ran into me.
I don't. Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Ouch. Okay, so we completed the first round.
This is deleted, and this is deleted. The hats are included.
Wait, you can't go in the hats.
I just
you can't,
glitched.
because that is included.
I just glitched my sound because I accidentally double tapped my headset. I'm so sorry. Oh god. Like the sound is gonna get like muted for like a second though. Okay.
Yep. You know you can go on there. I think I saw you touch the ground there.
I don't know.
Oh no, I'll let that one slide. Alright.
Yeah, me and this guy were practicing off camera.
This is deleted.
Yeah, me and this guy were practicing off camera.
Yeah. So I'm keeping an eye on these two.
But me and this guy were practicing off camera, so.
No, but you technically touched that because like your hand glitched through it. So
Ooh, that was so close. That was so close.
Come
you
on.
made it.
Oh my
all
god.
of you should be in now. All right.
Oh god, this is gonna have to on YouTube. Yeah. You guys, is everyone here a good sport? Because if they're not,
This wall is deleted.
Oh my god! I'm gonna try this again. Oh my god, I did it. I'm insane. Oh my god, I did it.
Oh, I saw that blue. You touched the ground at the last second.
No,
Shit. The way you just like slowly moved
Oh,
towards it.
great. You touched the ground. I saw that. I saw that. Great.
I win!
Sorry, you win. Wait, are you are the winner.
Sure.
Do you want to...
Yes.
Never mind. I was going to ask if you wanted to continue or not.
Oh god. But that's the first round. I win the first round. Oh, by the way, YouTube, I have tried to make a new outro. I don't know. It's not too good. I don't know if it's copyright music in it. I'll have to check off my videos for that. So I was setting something up, and I used a TikTok sound for it, and I was like, oh my god, yeah, I'm down. I touched ground.
New monkey, we're playing lava. Monkey
I was like, oh no. I was like, this isn't too good. If I get it copyrighted.
New monkey, come to city, but don't tag. Wait.
Yeah, I'm recording show.
I know.
Yeah, I'm recording a YouTube video.
Monkey, aka Pink. What do you choose to eliminate?
You who just joined, I'm recording a YouTube video. Please don't play copyrighted music or don't say or play anything bad. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, we're doing this. Got it.
You guys watch the others. I'm watching Grey.
White made it.
Done.
Don't.
Watching Grey.
Blue made it. Grey made it. We're all good.
Alright.
Yeah. So I won the first round.
So I gotta watch 3 of them. I'll watch Grey. Someone watch.
I'll watch
Blue,
White.
and,
I'll watch White.
Alright, I'm watching Grey.
Yes.
You're watching Grey.
Whoa.
What's next? Alright, I'm ready for Lava Monkey. What is next?
I just died.
Okay.
Top Hat Monkey. Watch Blue. I'm watching White.
Okay.
I'm watching Grey.
Ooh, White, you getting a bit close.
Oh, you're in the lead.
White, you getting a bit close to the ground there.
Like, yo.
No, you did survive. You just getting a bit close. So I'm saying you just get a bit close.
Yeah, can I like unequip that pin real
Ooh, that
quick?
was close, Blue.
Yes, I will.
I don't know.
Don't.
Yeah.
let white touch the ground. I'm doing something.
Both of
Okay.
them.
Alright,
No,
then
don't.
hold on.
I think I.
What?
What is 1100?
Wait, let's do this. Do this something go around. Go.
Wait. Who are you?
Cause that's
You don't know. You don't even know that question, do you? Wow.
Hey, wait, is there a new monkey that just joined?
Wait.
Sorry, I'm.
Oh my god.
Wait, I think. No, there isn't. Okay.
I was just
So
checking
sorry.
if there was a new monkey that joined.
Bro, I can buy.
Wonderful.
Look, I can buy one of these,
What?
maybe, but I can't buy
God.
this. I can buy one of these,
We can't see
What, the
them.
maps?
but I want.
Alright, what are we deleting?
I don't know. Which one should I get though?
What's deleted?
Wait. Don't tag white yet. Don't tag white. Okay, tag him.
Wait. You wanna carry on?
Don't tag. I can continue. I can continue. Wait.
He's the last one.
Don't tag me.
Oh my
Dude.
god.
Do you guys want to go play crates?
Continue if you are last. You can
You
continue if you are last.
Do you guys want to play crates?
No.
No, not really.
Let's just
Everybody, how about we get in the line? How about we get in the line?
There's
Let's
six
take
of
one
us.
at a
Too late
time.
for that.
Let's take one at a time, alright?
Nah, nah, mate, I'm good.
That's deleted. Oh wait.
Yeah, it's free round
Now wait
four.
till the other.
New monkey, go to city, we're playing monkey on the shelf.
Don't tag anyone
don't
though.
tag.
One.
Alright?
I won.
Right,
I
what's
already
deleted?
won. I already
What's
won.
deleted?
Oh, I already did it. I
So?
already did it.
Yeah, but we go again.
Hello.
I did it. I already
That's
did that
deleted.
one.
Is that? Yes.
I already did that
Wait,
one.
what's deleted? What's deleted? Don't tag me. What's deleted?
Don't tag.
That kid.
Just
Oh my Jesus Christ. Okay, so I need
was
still go.
deleted, I don't
So
know.
what's deleted? That.
I made it. I'm gonna sit. I'm gonna
That-
sit in this corner.
That. Right. Don't tag me.
That's deleted and that's
And now
deleted.
that's deleted.
I'm in some. Where is everybody? I did it.
In city.
I did the third round. I already did the third round.
Okay.
Oh my God, I'm just magical. I'm honestly just magical.
I already did the third round, guys. I'm so fast.
One more chance. One more chance, and I'll give you one more chance of experience. Okay? Please. Okay, thank you. I'll give all of you guys one more chance.
Wait, don't tag
Alright.
me, don't tag me, don't tag me,
Alright.
don't tag me.
Don't tag me. Made it.
So wait, what else did you delete this round?
That and that is deleted. What else is deleted?
The shelf. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. I don't know.
Whoa!
Coming back.
oh my god.
Wait, what? Why did he go tagging everyone? Why is he tagging everyone? He just tagged
Yeah,
someone.
guys, I just got my new drip.
Wait, Lava
Damn
Monkey.
me up. Damn me up.
Oh, come on. Wait,
He
what's
doesn't know what just
deleted?
happened.
My hand.
This
People.
shelf, that shelf was deleted, but I managed to get on the sign.
Don't tag. I'm gonna go through the doorway.
Deleted again?
That shelf deleted. That shelf deleted.
That
Oh
That's
my
so-
god.
That was so clutch.
Make sure it don't take forever. Bro. hey, could I just go like this?
okay. That's so
I'm so lucky I'm not in my room right now. Whoa.
Yeah, stay back.
Stay back. There's a
Stay
monkey
back.
Up above.
Stay back.
Guys, it's Jesus.
It's Jesus.
It's like the old,
I
it's like the
believe
Old
in you.
Testament Jesus.
I believe in this guy. Yeah, I believe in this guy. I have a cross right
Nice.
there, right behind me.
Don't, please
Don't
don't.
you dare touch his booty.
I believe in you, and I believe in God, I believe in you, and I believe in your Father, and I want, amen.
That took me a long
Yeah,
time.
whatever this means, yeah.
That was
Oh,
that's
oh,
not to touch her booty.
This is so freaking
I'm
annoying.
going to delete
Why'd you tag me?
Racism.
Can we go play crates? Everyone's just tagging each other now.
No, Crit is so
No,
toxic,
we don't want to play
bro.
crates.
Do you want to play
We do
Ghost
not
in the
want to play
Graveyard?
crates.
Mini
No,
games
no,
are
no.
toxic in general.
No, crates is toxic.
Every mini game
Okay.
is toxic.
How was any minion toxic? I don't.
Because it depends on the person.
Okay,
not the game.
I'm gonna do the next level. I'm gonna do the next level. Dude, no, move!
No, dude!
Bro!
Dude!
Bro, this guy's toxic.
Why?
Wow, racism.
No, I'm exactly. He's racist.
You're
Oh
not
my!
Alright, he's-
We already touched
didn't
the
touch anything
mirror!
buddy.
Are you
I
dumb?
wasn't even
We
gonna-
already touched the mirror!
We're playing Monkey on the Shelf!
Bro!
Don't tag everyone!
Now we gotta restart! When you touch the mirror, you can walk back on the floor.
I was
The
hoping-
floor, you know?
G'day. Yes, g'day. Jesus, who tagged? That's the kid.
Report Jesus, then